breaking bones, sticks, and stones.
Malicious Planks!
What? The proper test for my powers!
Huh? Yeah, it's, the moon! Go move!
50,
But that's impossible!
You said you were ready. Now go on!
50, 750,
I feel snacky again.
250,
I feel snacky again. Meow! Max wants his breakfast, Betty!
750,
Meep!
50,
Dang you, Maxie! That sink is leaking again. Better call a plumber.
This is crazy.
I moved the moon! Just like you told me to.
You're always doing that. You're always listening to me. A shark just tried to eat my face.
He's probably snacky. Needs to sleep.
At last, I have discovered your hiding place.
That leaky faucet you fixed a week ago, it's leaking again. Well, you need to stay on top of your work a little more. Just saying.
Up you come, Garth. Now focus on the moon.
Wave!
Oh, fine. Hello? No. Oh, wait.
You get the money as it
Right.
show on the tiles.
That'll be the plumber.
I have come
You get
Yes, sinks that way. Did you have to come far?
6
You get the
million
money
light
as-
years.
Oh, I'll put the kettle on.
you get the money as
So, you are the mighty Gog. Prepare
you
yourself.
get the money as it
I'm Matt.
One of Gog's bodyguards, eh?
Look, Top Knot,
You
we've
get
really
the
come at
money-
a bad time. We've got this little moon problem, see?
you get the money
You are
as
the
it
mighty
show on
Gog. Prepare yourself. I see the stories of your massive
you get the
strength.
money as
I'm Gork. That's short.
You are the mighty. Prepare yourself for battle.
you get the money as
Max, how do I prepare for battle?
you get the money
I
as
usually run around waving my arms in the air.
you get the money
Hey, it worked!
It did not. God,
you get
I
the
am here
money
to
as
tell
it
you that you are the savior of the universe. Look, there's lots
you
of
get to
training
go to
be
a
done.
different space.
I knew it! Max, you hear that? He says I'm to be saved!
You get the money as it show on the
He
tiles.
wants to sell you an official Savior of the Universe certificate for $500. Go pay
You get the money as-
I am Babu Ra,
You
the
get the
greatest
money-
sensei in the universe.
Oh, sure you are. Look, Barbara, is it?
No, Babu Ra.
Yeah, I can hear you, Barbara.
Babu Ra. Babu Ra.
Barbara. Barbara.
Babu Ra. Babu Ra.
Barbara.
Ra.
Barbara.
Babu
Barbara. Look, Barbara, fine, you're a sensei, but I've got everything covered with Garg, okay?
Max, maybe we should listen to him.
We've received indications a vicious battle is headed towards the galaxy. Training. You're very special, Gog.